Dear viewers, welcome to Bornil Academy once again. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'd like to talk about some commonly mispronounced words in English, which we often use in our daily conversations. As you can see on the screen, there is a word able. It's not able, it's able. Able, like I was able to tackle the situation. And next one is capable. Capable. Though some of us pronounce it capable, but it's not capable, it's capable. So able and capable. Let's move to the next one, and this one is nature. Nature in British accent and nature in American accent, but not nature. So nature or nature, but not nature. And this one is natural. Natural. There are two syllables, nat and ral. Natural. It's not natural. Natural. So nature and natural. The last one for you, plagiarism. Plagiarism. This is a very common word, but we sometimes pronounce it plagiarism, but it's not plagiarism. 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 And the bonus one for you, procedure. Procedure. Sometimes we see that this word is pronounced as like procedure. It's not procedure, it's procedure in British accent, and in American accent, procedure. Procedure. So able, capable, nature, natural, plagiarism, and the last one is procedure. That's all for today, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you will be able to pronounce these words perfectly. To improve your pronunciation and English speaking skill, you may join our spoken English and phonetics course.